Today we're going to add a little bit more Roush style to our 2018 Mustang with their rear diffuser kit. This Roush aerofoil kit is going to create a custom rear diffuser on the back of your 2018 Mustang GT when it's installed. They're made of a TPO plastic in the original style texture, so they look very factory when they're installed on the car. The installation is very straightforward, and today we're going to show you how by installing them on our 2018 Mustang GT. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands will make it easier. You'll need a 1/4 inch ratchet, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, short extension, drill, 1/4 inch drill bit, and an 1/8 inch drill bit. Start by making sure your valance is completely clean. Use some soapy water, even some alcohol if you have to. And once it's clean, you're gonna grab one of the diffusers, put a piece of tape right here. What this is gonna do, this here basically lines up with that. So get a feel for where it's gonna go. You wanna have this edge kind of even with that. And we're gonna remove the tape and stick it on. Okay, with it held on by the double stick tape, now grab a drill and drill a hole out. Okay, now grab this provided bracket. I'm gonna slide it up into place in the valance. And line up the holes and thread in the bolts. And then just snug them down. Now grab the inside holes, line it up against the body where you want it. Drill 2 small pilot holes. Now grab the self-tapping screws included with the kit and screw them into the pilot holes. Last hole we're going to drill is going to be right here. Using our pilot bit, just line it up. Install another self-tapper. Repeat the process with the other piece and your installation is finished. Like a lot of their other parts, the Roush rear diffuser kit is pretty simple to install, but really changes the look of the back of the car and adds a nice, aggressive, functional look to it. Overall installation, as you saw, is very simple. You could probably even do this on the ground if you're careful, but getting up in the air will make it a little bit easier. Overall, it's a 15 to 20 minute installation. Be back on the road in no time.